Okay, so I've got something really special to show y'all. And it is going to save you money and also give you soft, glowing, radiant skin. I'm gonna show you how to make your own exfoliating skin scrub right at home with ingredients you probably already have at your house already. So that means you can save your money and spend it on other things like clothes or maybe investing in a small business, you know, stuff like that. And not spend it on a skin scrub because you're gonna make it at home, okay? So stay tuned. First ingredient is some extra virgin olive oil. You will also need an essential oil of your choice. I'm choosing to use the Etay Lightweight Deep Moisturizing Hair Gloss because this product contains a lot of different essential oils. Some of the essential oils you'll find in this product are olive oil, essential oils of rosemary, bergamot, and clary sage, also vitamin E. So the next ingredient you will need is virgin coconut oil. You will also need some ground coffee. It can be used or unused. You will also need a container to store your scrub in. I'm going to use an old mason jar that I had around the house. I usually like to keep these and reuse them for projects just like this. And last but not least, a tablespoon to measure out your ingredients. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to make your own skin scrub at home because, you know, that was the purpose of this video. If you didn't learn that, then I pretty much failed at life. So, yeah. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. I have more videos to come. Trust me, they're coming. I have a busy schedule, yes, but I'm like committing myself to doing more YouTube videos, so I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it, okay? So there are more to come. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.